Yo, is that a train? Yo, hold up. We going for the train, boy. We going on a ride here today. We gonna get that train. Is this somebody? Oh, this is somebody's donkey. Never mind. I was about to shoot that. Somebody's ass.
Yeah, you should have shot it.
Oh, fine, man. We gonna shoot it.
We gotta get some money, man. We are low on money.
This farmer, bitch.
Hold on,
This
hold on.
farmer
Let me.
Oh, no! It counted as shot. Oh, I can't even do anything. I can't do anything. Get out of here. We gotta get out of here, dude. We gotta get out of here. They're gonna report me. And it's gonna be murdered by donkeys. Murdered. It's gonna be murdered donkeys.
Where'd you go? I lost you.
We gotta get out of here. They're gonna report my ass. I'm gonna be wanted for like $15. She's a damn donkey.
$15 for slaughtering the dog. I'm crying. Oh
$15. They're gonna get my ass.
I can't.
They're gonna kick my ass, boy. We gotta get out of there. I got that damn duck! Damn. You good? You gonna make it? Just stay on your horse. Okay.
I need some tissues. $15? Are you serious?
Hey, they might. They don't come for me for $15. Who isn't gonna take that bounty? For a donkey killer. Get him. I bet you that fucking farmer's gonna go report that to the sheriff. I bet he fucking is. It still says that it's like you slaughtered a donkey. And some people are gonna report the crime. Who said that donkey had to be there? I mean, I just needed it for money, so you can't even do anything. It just fell over and died. Couldn't even skin it. Nothing.
Skinning the donkey. You only get about $1. Not even half a dollar.
You get $1 over a 15 fucking wanted bounty for killing the damn. I really don't. I really hope they don't kill me for that crime. Fucking Horley over here just starts shooting. He's like, I heard you killed that donkey. So let's hope that don't happen. Shit, this horse sucks, dude. This horse actually sucks. We're going slow because my horse can't keep up, dude. Hold on just a second. What's that?
What the heck is my horse doing? What is going?
Oh, kill it while I'm there!
Bambi, come over here. I don't think you can get the saddle.
Oh, can you really not? Dude, that's some horse shit.
Literally.
You can't even get this fucking saddle off this horse. What the fuck? Damn,
The horse is like a little midget compared to.
I know he isn't eating, dude. He's malnourished as fuck, and he won't eat.
Amos, get on with the milking.
Get on with the milking. Did you hear that?
I heard it. I heard it.
I'm gonna milk her udders.
Your character. Why don't I have any horses to call, bro? All I got is Scrawny Nag.
Oh, your fucking saddle probably got disabled somehow. I would go to the saddle back.
Bro, you fucking slamming that horse all the way to the damn water?
I got something here, boys.
What the fuck?
That killed me. 2 inches killed me.
That's what she said.
Outside.
Miss Dad, I'm gonna need you to pull those bloomers off.
No, you fucker.
Get him off the side.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Get him out. Oh shit, I can't move him. I can't move him. Hold up. We gonna get him off. Hold on, I gotta jump and sacrifice, boys.
You can't have me.
Hold on, I'm trying. He's having a little fit. He's getting some oh shit! It's like wrangling a damn bull.
I can't stand up and get my thing out before.
Okay, I got him. Go, Michael, go! I just want to see if this gonna go. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Get your ass on here, boy! Alright, the SS-69 is taking off!
Ow. What the?
Oh shit! We got ourselves a piece of shit!
Oh god, dang it, no!
We got ourselves some poo-poos ahead! Look out, he's on the right! He's on the right here!
I got him,
You better get his ass! Oh shit, he's gonna rob me! He's gonna rob me!
I got him, I got him!
Oh, he's down! He's on the track, he's dead!
Yes.
I got hit by the train trying to jump on.
She's taking the train! She's taking the train! No!
Oh, not the train! Oh shit, the train was!
I got it!
Hold on, I'll come back! Don't leave me! Don't leave me here! Oh shit! Hold on, I'm coming on!
Get her. Not Mr. Horse. No! Revive him quickly! Revive him! Ah!
There he is.
Sorry, Mr. Horse! It won't let me shoot it actually. I can't actually.
Why,
It won't let me
why
do
is it moving?
I can't actually. It won't let me put him down. Mr.
What the fuck is going on? Just keep on down. Oh, shit, fucking kick me, bro.
Oh!
Say no. Oh!
Yeah, and he has the biggest wank because he's that, I don't know. It's always the skinny boys that have the big wanks, apparently.
You gotta have that to get around all their fucking rolls.
You're absolutely right. So when you think about it, he has like an 8-inch, right? But that's like 5-inch worth of ass. So technically, he's only getting 3 in there. So,
Like 5 inches.